Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to be creating a flip book. Okay, so here is my example. I will show you. Each page has a picture and then when you flip it, they all come together. What's fun is I can also show you everything in reverse. You just flip it backwards. Okay, so in your kit, you will find 26 index cards, one binder clip. What's not in your kit but you will need is a pencil, and what's optional is a piece of paper to plan what you will draw. So that's up to you. You can directly draw on the index cards or you can plan it, and I'll show you how to plan it real quick. Okay, so for planning, I made a storyboard, and this is what professional cartoonists and animators make when they're going to draw something that's in motion, like cartoons. So what they are is they're stills of pictures, and then they come together and they create motion. So that's what we're going to do, and I have 25 boxes. You will have one index card that's your title, and then the 25 which are your drawings. So one for your title, and then the rest will be the drawings. So go ahead and take your paper, and we are going to fold it. So if you see, I have it folded on each side, and then they come in the middle. So we're going to do the same thing. So we are going to fold it on itself, like so. And then we'll take it and put it in the middle, like so. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. And then, so there's 5 going this way, and then there's also 5 going this way. So same thing. So we have the 5, right? And then we have it going inside. So go ahead and do that. Fold it in, and you should have your 25 boxes, which is your grid. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's your storyboard, and so you know which picture goes on which card. We're going to mark these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's hard doing this upside down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you'll just continue all the way down to 25, and you're going to draw your story. So what do you want in the first picture? Do you want a rocket going up into space? So you'll draw your rocket, right? Let's do like that. Okay, and then my rocket's gonna go higher, right? And it's gonna go all the way up. So that's what you're doing. You're gonna make a plan for your index cards. So my rocket is taking off, and I might do the spaceship for the rest of this. And then on these cards, you'll have your title. So this will be your title card. And then this, each will be numbered. So my spaceship will be the number 1, like so. So see how 1 on my storyboard is exactly 1 on my first index card? That's what I want to do. And then again, 2 is going to be this one. And it matches. So that's the idea. You create your story on your storyboard, and then one by one, you put one on each index card. And before you know it, you have your flying spaceship. All right, I showed you the step-by-step process. Let me show you what a finished storyboard looks like. Starts with my seed. I grew the roots, right? And then I added leaves one at a time. And then I added my little blossom, right? And then it blossoms into a full flower. There comes the bee. The bee sits on the flower. The bee leaves. The butterfly comes. The butterfly sits on the flower and the butterfly leaves. Okay, so now that you've drawn each of your pictures on your storyboard to a corresponding index card, you're going to put them in order. So remember, your title card first, then you're going to take the first, number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we'll go ahead, put those together. Add your binder clip so it stays together, and you are all done.
Did you know one optical illusion that has had a huge impact on our culture is the illusion of apparent motion? This might sound complicated, but you experience this illusion every time you watch cartoons. You perceive that the characters on the screen are moving, but in fact you are seeing many still pictures flashing rapidly before your eyes. How does this work? Basically, our brains are trying to make sense of what we are looking at by smoothing out the individual images that make up a cartoon into one continuous but changing scene.